For homeowners in Ferndale, finding practical ways to cut energy costs without sacrificing comfort is a top priority. One of the most effective upgrades you can make is installing vinyl windows. Designed to perform well in every season, vinyl windows offer excellent insulation, durability, and style, all while keeping your energy bills under control. Let's explore how these windows improve energy efficiency year-round. Superior insulation for every season. Vinyl windows are made from PVC, polyvinyl chloride, a material known for its natural insulating properties. Unlike aluminum, which easily transfers heat and cold, vinyl creates a barrier that reduces the movement of outside temperatures into your home. Winter comfort. When the Ferndale winters bring chilly winds, vinyl windows help lock in warmth, preventing heated air from escaping. Summer relief. During the hot months, these windows reduce heat gain, keeping indoor spaces cooler and easing the load on your air conditioning system. By minimizing temperature fluctuations, vinyl windows create a stable, comfortable environment all year long. Energy-efficient glass option. Modern vinyl windows aren't just about the frames. The glass plays a huge role too. Many come with double or triple pane glass filled with insulating gases such as argon or krypton. These gases slow down heat transfer, making the windows more efficient. Additionally, low emissivity coatings can reflect heat back into your home in winter and block solar rays in summer. This ensures that your heating and cooling systems don't have to work as hard, which directly lowers your energy consumption. Reduced air leaks and drafts. One of the biggest culprits behind high energy bills is air leakage. Older or poorly fitted windows allow cold drafts in the winter and let cool air escape in the summer. Vinyl windows are engineered to provide a tight seal, reducing gaps that lead to energy loss. When installed professionally, these windows maintain their fit over time because vinyl is resistant to warping, swelling, or rotting. That means fewer repairs, less maintenance, and consistent performance year after year. Cost savings. You can see energy-efficient vinyl windows don't just provide comfort, they also save you money. With improved insulation and reduced air leakage, your HVAC system doesn't have to run as frequently. Many Ferndale homeowners notice a significant drop in monthly utility bills after upgrading. Over time, these savings can offset the cost of installation, making vinyl windows one of the most cost-effective improvements you can make for your home. Environmental benefit. By lowering energy usage, vinyl windows also contribute to a greener lifestyle. Reduced reliance on heating and cooling systems means fewer greenhouse gas emissions. For eco-conscious homeowners in Ferndale, this upgrade aligns with sustainable living practices while still delivering immediate benefits. Low maintenance, long-term value. Energy efficiency is only part of the story. Vinyl windows are also low maintenance. Unlike wood, they don't require repainting or sealing. They resist moisture and pests, ensuring that your windows continue performing at their best for decades. This durability adds to the overall value of your investment and keeps your home looking sharp. Why choose vinyl windows for your Ferndale home? All-season performance. keeps homes warm in winter and cool in summer. Lower utility bills. Reduces heating and cooling costs. Eco-friendly. Cuts energy waste and supports sustainability. Durability. Withstands weather changes without warping or rotting. Low maintenance. Easy to clean and long-lasting. Final thoughts. Upgrading to vinyl windows in Ferndale is more than just a cosmetic choice. It's a smart investment in comfort, efficiency, and long-term savings. With their superior insulation, advanced glass options, and resistance to weather damage, vinyl windows deliver year-round energy benefits you can feel and see in your utility bills. If you're ready to create a more efficient and comfortable home, vinyl windows are a clear choice.